We're checking out these Chrome Delete mirror covers in gloss black, designed to fit 2015 to 2020 F-150s. Now these are going to be a great choice for F-150 owners looking to add a sleek, modern black touch while getting rid of that factory chrome that not everybody's a fan of on a truck. These gloss black mirror covers offer a stylish way to upgrade your F-150's exterior. These covers are designed to fit snugly over your factory mirrors, giving them a sleek, high gloss black finish that complements a variety of paint colors. Beyond aesthetics, they also provide some added protection for your mirrors against scratches, chips, or some minor impacts. Their precision molded design ensures they fit perfectly and allow them to blend seamlessly with your truck's existing lines. They also are lightweight yet durable, so they don't add any unnecessary bulk or weight to those mirrors. These are going to be made out of durable, automotive-grade ABS plastic, and the covers are built to withstand the rigors of daily driving. The material is highly resistant to UV rays, fading, and weathering, ensuring long-lasting glossy finish that always looks good on your truck. The covers are designed to snap right into place for an easy install, which we'll show you here in a minute. Now, as far as the pricing goes, these mirror covers come in right around that lower $100 price range, making them an affordable and stylish addition to your F-150 while getting rid of those factory chrome mirrors. The installation process is very straightforward because they snap right into place. So on our difficulty meter, we're rating this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should take you about 20 minutes to complete. Now, let's see exactly how these go on your truck with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
For this install, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool. You're gonna wanna get behind the OEM chrome mirror cap. I'm just going with the flathead. This corner, get behind there. If you have the pry tool, and you can take it and get back behind there, just slide it up, pops off. You have to wiggle it around a bit and get it off. Then you're just going to take the new one and insert it in 4 areas for the clips. It should just snap right on. Just like that, and you're done. And then you'll go ahead and repeat those steps on the other side. Get in this corner. And here, one clip popped out there. Get behind, slide up. Go 4 brand new clips, so make sure if you break one, you get the part that's broken off out of there. This will just slide right in. Make sure it clips on, and you're done.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Chrome Delete mirror covers in gloss black, designed to fit the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.